Today, I'll show you how to design custom forms in Typeform. Whether you're creating surveys, quizzes, or even just a simple contact form, Typeform is a fantastic tool that allows you to make engaging and visually appealing forms. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to customize your forms to align perfectly with your brand or personal style. So let's dive in and start designing your custom form. First, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you might want to create one to take full advantage of Typeform's features. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Next, you'll need to select a form to work on. You can choose from your existing forms or start a new one if you're beginning a project from scratch. Simply click on the form you wish to customize, and this will take you to the editing interface where the magic happens. Once you've selected your form, look for the Design tab. This is where you can start customizing the appearance of your form. Click on Design to open up the customization options. Typeform makes it incredibly easy to transform a plain form into something eye-catching and unique. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll notice an option labeled My Themes. Click on the plus icon here. This will allow you to create a new theme or modify an existing one. Creating your own theme gives you complete control over the look and feel of your form, making it truly yours. The next step is where your creativity really comes into play. Start by adding your logo to the form. This not only personalizes the form, but also reinforces brand recognition if you're using it for business purposes. Then select a font that matches your brand or the tone of your form. Typeform offers a variety of fonts to choose from, so take your time to find the one that fits best. In addition to the font, you can add buttons and select a background that complements your design. The background could be a solid color, a gradient, or even an image. Make sure that whatever you choose does not distract from the form's content, but rather enhances the user experience. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the top or bottom of the interface, and give it a click. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready for when you're ready to share your form with others. And there you have it. You've just learned how to design custom forms in Typeform. With these steps, you can create forms that not only gather information effectively, but also leave a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, the key to a great form is both functionality and aesthetics. So don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect balance. Thanks for watching and happy designing.